Hey everyone, back here with part 4 of my 99 Upper Deck football box break. I'm doing the last 6 packs, so here we go. Let's hope for some good stuff. Like this whole box, everything is just sticking like crazy, but we got Kyle Brady, Steve Atwater, there's Adrian Morel. Is that a misprint there? They have his name and then his full name under there. I'm going to have to double check. Like, they have the first name in small print and then... I'll have to take a look at that guy. And then we got James Stewart. And then Derek Alexander, Charlie Batch, Curtis Enos, Terrence Mathis, and Steve Young. All right. Oh, and then the last card was a Mark Brunell Live Wires from that last pack. So got to remember to do those inserts. We got Brian Mitchell, James Miller, Ellis Johnson, Tony McGee, Mike Memula, and Robert Smith, Andre Rison, Elvis Gerback, and Michael Irving with Chris Claiborne, star rookie. Alright, we got Tony Carter, Fred Taylor, Will Blackwell, Willie McGinnis, John Kitna, Ryan Leaf. I think he may have been surpassed as the biggest bust by not Russell Wilson. What's his name? Raiders dude. I can't remember him right now. But, yeah. A lot of busts at quarterback, and a lot of them came from this class too, so. Alright, we got Warwick Dunn, Ken Dilger, Brett Emanuel. There is Bubby Brewster, Priest Holmes, Peyton Manning. Very nice. Throw him in that pile. Patrick Johnson, Jermaine Lewis, and Sean Springs. And we have Eric Moulds, Strike Force. And from the last pack, we got Brock Heward, quarterback class. So, here we go. The last 2 packs. Can't wait to see what we get. Alright. Rich Gannon. There's Stephon Boyd, Emmett Smith, Bruce Smith, Andre Watson, Jason Sehorn, Derek Thomas. There's Vinny Testaverde and Rod Smith with very nice live wires. Brett Favre. Very nice. I love my Packers. So, here we go. Last pack of the box. Alright. We have Shannon Sharp. There's Eddie Kenson. Gary Brown. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. Bobby Ingram. Troy Aikman. Rob Moore. Curtis Conway. And Frank Sanders. And then our last card is a star rookie. It is Chris Greason. So that will do it. So no auto, no relic, nothing numbered that I've seen. So not too bad of a box. It was nice and cheap. I got a lot of cards that I needed. I know that much. And a lot of great inserts. So I am happy with it. So, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did enjoy, please leave a like, comment, and if you like this kind of stuff, I do all kinds of card openings. Hit that subscribe button. It is always appreciated. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you later.